welcome to another segment in our WeVideo tutorial series presented by WVAM Student Television. Today we'll be showing you how to edit the speed of your clip.
When you use this effect, you can have clips in slow or fast motion, just like this.
Import your clips. Drag and drop the clip you want to edit to the Video 1 timeline. Open the editor menu by double-clicking on the clip or clicking the pencil icon above the clip. Select the icon on the far right to open up the speed tab. It looks like a speedometer.
By default, the range slider will be set for the duration of your clip. You can change this by moving the two sliders on the fader. Below that, you can adjust the speed of your clip by moving the slider to the right to speed it up or to the left to slow it down. Below that, you can select the box to add a 1-second smooth transition in and out of your clip.
You can play around with these settings and preview your clip by clicking the play button under the preview screen. Once you're complete, select the blue Save Changes button. Note that the clips will be shortened if it is sped up or lengthened if it is slowed down.